Number 5, r is greater than or equal to 0. Since r could be 0 exactly, we indicate that with a solid dot, or any value greater than 0, so arrow to the right. The interval goes from 0 to infinity, including the 0, so indicate with brackets, and infinity always gets parentheses. Number 6, m is less than or equal to -3. Since m could equal -3, we put a solid dot, or any value less than, so arrow to the left. The interval goes from -infinity to -3, brackets on the -3 because it's included. Infinity and -infinity always get parentheses. Number 7, m is less than 3/4. You have to approximate where you think 3/4 is and put an open circle there. It could also be any value less than 3/4. I should say it could only be any value less than 3/4. It can't be 3/4 exactly because it doesn't say less than or equal to. So this is the correct graph, and the interval will go from -infinity, which always gets parentheses, all the way up to 3/4, but parentheses to indicate that the 3/4 is not included as a possible value for m. 8, q is less than or equal to -2.5. -2.5 is right here, and I'll indicate that it's included with a solid dot, and then I'll put an arrow to the left to indicate that all values less than or equal to -2.5 are included in the solution set, which starts at the lowest possible value, -infinity, and ends at the greatest possible value, -2.5, including -2.5, so indicate that with brackets. Number 9, n is any value except for 3, and cannot equal +3. So an open circle at 3 and arrows going in both directions. Could be anything less than 3 or greater than 3, it just can't equal 3. The interval, there are 2 intervals to describe the solution set, starting with -infinity, ending with 3, which is not included, so parentheses, and then again starting at 3 but not including 3 all the way up to +infinity.